Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by redeeming the Google Play gift card to the Google account tied to Brawl Stars. Open Google Play, tap your profile, then Payments and Subscriptions and Redeem Code. Enter the code exactly as printed. Once done, confirm the added balance and make sure the account matches the game's account if you use multiple Google ID. This gives you Google Play credit usable in-game. You'll need it available before attempting an in-app purchase in Brawl Stars. Now you open Brawl Stars and go straight to the shop to buy gems or a special offer. Choose the pack you want, tap Buy, and when the payment sheet appears, select your Google Play balance as the payment method. You may be prompted to confirm with your Google password or biometric unlock. Do that to authorize. Once confirmed, wait for the purchase to process, and then verify your gem balance in the top left of the main screen to ensure the credits arrived. To finish, verify gems credited and enjoy your purchase. If something goes wrong, first make sure the redeem used the same Google account linked to Brawl Stars. Mismatched accounts are the most common issue. If balance shows consumed but gems didn't appear, restart the game and device, then check Google Play transaction history for confirmation. If credits are charged and still missing, take the receipt and contact Supercell support inside the game with the transaction ID so they can restore your purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.